my gosh, guys, look at this package Flashy Fidgets just sent us. I love their little logo on here. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys, the first thing they sent us was this simple dimple. We don't even have this color yet. Let's open it. Guys, this came with a keychain. Let's test it out. This is so loud. This color literally has a nice texture to it. Before we continue with any of these products, make sure to check out Flashy Fidget's TikTok and check out their website. Guys, these two simple dimples are like almost the same. Anyways, their link will be in our bio as well. The next fidget they sent us was this flip fidget. Let's open it. Guys, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love this. I could literally play with this all day. Wait, you could also spin this. Oh my gosh. The next thing they sent us was this infinity cube. We don't have an infinity cube in pink, so let's open it. Guys, this is so good. They also included this airhead. The next thing they included was this glow-in-the-dark jumbo poppet. Let's test it out. Guys, this is so good. Now the quiet side. This is like way better than the other quiet sides we received. I love this jumbo poppet. Next is the same one, but a heart one. Let's test it out. This is so good. Guys, I definitely recommend this poppet. The next thing is this glow-in-the-dark, like greenish poppet. Guys, this poppet looks so cool. It's literally clear. Thank you so much, Flashy Fidget.